Stop right now. If you apply for one more credit card with Navy Federal or Chase, look, I'm gonna come through that screen and shake you.
Okay, Marvin, just breathe. Just breathe. Tell them why.
Because you're destroying your TransUnion and Equifax reports. Everyone is obsessed with those two bureaus. But guess what? While everyone else is fighting over there, we got something for you.
Okay, your Experian report is sitting in the corner. It's quiet.
Yeah.
It's clean. And it's ready to get you funded.
All right, guys, we found them for you. We found the secret four. These are 4 credit unions that, get this, almost exclusively pull Experian. And the best part, nobody's talking about them.
Okay, most people think you need to work for the government or live in a certain city to join these. But they're wrong. We're going to show you the back door into these banks.
Look, we're talking about $50,000 personal loans.
High limit credit cards, money magnets.
And 100% financed mortgages if you want access to the money banks are trying to hide from you. Look, don't skip 1 second of this video.
Let's get you funded and to the bag.
All right, let's blast off with number 1. Okay. And I mean literally, we're starting with Nassau Federal Credit Union.
Yes, that's Nassau. Now, before you click off thinking, Gloria, I'm not an astronaut. Listen to me. You don't have to be.
Look, you don't even need a spacesuit. Here's the membership hack. You need to join the National Space Society. It's a small fee. You sign up and guess what? You're eligible for membership. It's that simple, guys.
Now, why do we love them? Because they pull Experian for membership and their credit products. Let's talk about the personal loan. They go all the way up to $30,000 and the terms are very flexible, Marvin.
But the credit card is where the money is. Look, they have the Star Trek command card. Yeah, it's super cool and sounds cool. But looking at the limits, we've seen our students get pre-qualified. Yes, you heard me say that. Pre-qualified with a soft pull at $10,000 or $20,000 starting limits.
Yes. And for my real estate investors, you know, hey, I know we have them out there.
Right.
They offer 0% down and 100% financing with no PMI. That's that private mortgage insurance you have to pay.
Wait a minute. No PMI? Do they know that saves them hundreds a month?
Exactly. And also their auto loans. They refinance up to 125% of the car value. So if you're underwater on a loan, Nassau might be your life raft.
Look, and if you're ready to stop getting denied, I need you guys to type ready in the comments right now. Seriously, type ready so the algorithm knows that you actually mean business. Now, Nassau is great, but this next one is aggressive. They don't care about the big banks. They want to give you money.
But before we share it, please hit that like button. We do our research for free because we want to see our community win, guys. We want to see you build generational wealth.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Okay.
We're trying to save an American small business one loan at a time. Are you with us, guys? Because I want you guys to notice most businesses go out of business because of a lack of capital, not ideas. So let's get to it. Number 2, Unifi Financial Credit Union. Now, usually this is a West Coast thing, right, Gloria?
Yes, it used to be. But here's the membership hack that I'm going to give you. You can join the Friends of Hobbs State Park, okay? Or simply live in one of their many eligible communities. But most people that live outside of the area, they're joining the partner nonprofit and it gets you in the door.
Exactly. Unifi is aggressive. They pull Experian. They're not afraid of giving out money. Let's talk lines of credit, Gloria.
Okay. They offer a personal line of credit that essentially is their overdraft protection on steroids, money magnet. It can go all the way up to $25,000 and it's unsecured. That's cash access, Marvin. What do you think?
You're right. That's payroll money. That's marketing money. And Gloria, what about the cars?
Okay, let's talk about the auto loans. Y'all know how I feel about cars, okay? They have a lenient underwriting, okay? And they also are looking at the person, not at just the score. If you have a 680 Experian score, but your TransUnion is trash, we are familiar with that. this is your spot.
All right, let's jump over to the credit cards.
Okay, the variable rate Visa. Low rates, fixed APRs available, and yes, they still pull Experian, Marvin.
All right, guys, listen to me closely. Knowing where to apply is half the battle.
Yes.
If your personal credit profile is structured wrong, look, if you have high utilization or your business isn't set up properly, you can go to Nassau or Unifi or whoever, and guess what? They're still going to tell you no.
Yes, Marvin. We see this every single day, Money Magnets. People burning inquiries for nothing. It breaks my heart because guess what? I know that there are just one strategy away from getting approved.
And look, guys, we want to help you build a custom roadmap. We want to look at your business. We want to look at your personal credit and be able to guide you exactly where you need to go to get the funding that you need.
Okay, Money Magnets. So what Marvin is saying is we're offering a free business strategy call.
Yeah.
You know, this isn't a sales pitch, so don't get me wrong. It's a strategy session to see if we can help you raise 50, 100K or more.
And make sure you have a 700 credit score before you click that link to get a strategy session, because if you need credit repair, we got something for you in the description below. So the link is right there on the screen and in the description if you have a 700 credit score and you're ready to get funding. Don't wait until you have 10 inquiries to call us. Call us first. And we don't want to do credit repair. We want to help people get funded. All right, let's go back to the money, Glow. Number 3, this is the old money. This is the oil money, like our favorite show, Landman. We're talking about Chevron Federal Credit Union.
Okay, Money Magnets, this is a hidden gem. Most people think you have to work for Chevron, but guess what? You don't.
Guess what? Let me tell you how to join. You can join through partner associations like the Financial Fitness Association. It's a small donation, sometimes $10, and guess what? You're in.
Okay, so Marvin, you don't have to shake them, but let's tell them why we like them, okay? High limits. Chevron is used to dealing with engineers and executives, so they're not scared of limits like $50,000.
Exactly. Their personal loans are fantastic for consolidation. If you have high interest credit card debt, swap it to a Chevron installment loan. They pull Experian, so your score might look better anyway.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into these home equity loans where the money is at.
Let's do it. HELOCs. If you own a home, Chevron has some of the most competitive HELOC rates in the nation. Use that equity to fund your business. It's one of the cheapest ways, actually, to fund your business.
Okay, and remember, once you're a member for life, even if you leave the association.
Last but not least, number 4. This one is huge in the West, but they are open for business. Look, guys, it's Mountain America Credit Union.
Okay, let's talk about this powerhouse, okay? The membership is open to everyone who joins the American Consumer Council. And we always say you can get in a lot of credit unions with the American Consumer Council.
And Gloria, is it free to join the council?
Yes. Usually, if you use the promo code CONSUMER on the ACC site, Mountain America accepts that.
Look, guys, I want you to join for free because it's not costing you nothing. I want you to put it in the comments that this information is working. And Gloria, why do we love them? They have incredible commercial vehicle loans.
Yes. If you're trying to buy a truck for your business or a fleet of vehicles like we just did, we bought a truck. Mountain America is very friendly to small businesses.
And Gloria, let's tell them about the personal loans.
Okay, so you can get up to $50,000 unsecured and they fund fast.
What about the credit cards, babe?
Okay, so the Signature Visa Rewards card, great points, great travel benefits, and guess what? Again, they pull Experian.
All right, guys. So look, you got Nassau, Unifi, Chevron, and Mountain America, 4 banks that want your Experian report.
But Marvin, let's talk about this.
Okay.
What if their Experian score is good? Okay, but they have a charge off from 3 years ago.
Right.
Or they have too many inquiries.
Well, you know, that could be a problem. If you guys need credit repair for small items, we got something special for you guys in the description below.
Okay, Money Magnets, but don't worry because we can solve that too.
You need to watch this video right here. It's collections removal strategy banks hope you never learn. We break down the dispute process you need to clear your name so that you can join credit unions just like these. Look, guys, Click that video. Let's get your financial life fixed. And guess what?
Let's get to the
money. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.